La tienda está en el centro de la ciudad. The store is in the city center. The store is in the city center. Voy al parque en taxi. I go to the park by taxi. I go to the park by taxi. La ventana está sobre la cama. The window is above the bed. The window is above the bed. El restaurante está en el segundo piso. The restaurant is on the second floor. The restaurant is on the second floor. Estamos en la fila del cine. We are in the cinema line. We are in the cinema line. Voy al mercado en bicicleta. I go to the market by bike. I go to the market by bike. La biblioteca está enfrente de la universidad. The library is in front of the university. The library is in front of the university. Vamos al parque en tren. We go to the park by train. We go to the park by train. La lámpara está debajo de la mesita. The lamp is under the little table. The lamp is under the little table. El supermercado está al lado de la farmacia. The supermarket is next to the pharmacy. The supermarket is next to the pharmacy. Voy al gimnasio en autobús. I go to the gym by bus. I go to the gym by bus. La ventana está en la esquina de la habitación. The window is in the corner of the room. The window is in the corner of the room. Estamos en la feria del pueblo. We are in the town fair. We are in the town fair. Voy al parque en metro. I go to the park by subway. I go to the park by subway. La estación de tren está en medio del bosque. The train station is in the middle of the forest. The train station is in the middle of the forest. Vamos al restaurante después del concierto. We go to the restaurant after the concert. We go to the restaurant after the concert. La taza está en el estante de arriba. The cup is on the top shelf. The cup is on the top shelf. Estoy en la parte trasera del autobús. I am in the back of the bus. I am in the back of the bus. Voy a la piscina en coche. I go to the pool by car. I go to the pool by car. La lámpara está en el centro de la mesa. The lamp is in the center of the table. The lamp is in the center of the table. Vamos al mercado después de la clase. We go to the market after class. We go to the market after class. La ventana está en la pared del lado. The window is on the side wall. The window is on the side wall. Estoy en la fila del supermercado. I am in the supermarket line. I am in the supermarket line. Voy al gimnasio después de la oficina. I go to the gym after the office. I go to the gym after the office. La tienda está en el centro comercial. The store is in the shopping mall. The store is in the shopping mall. Vamos al cine después del restaurante. We go to the cinema after the restaurant. We go to the cinema after the restaurant. La lámpara está en la esquina de la sala. The lamp is in the corner of the room. The lamp is in the corner of the room.